Hi, my name is Noah and I teach math and physics. When people are learning this stuff, I think that they probably get intimidated like I was. I had the same experience, right? I was intimidated by the fact that other classmates of mine could do it so easily without trying and without having to do anything seemingly. Like they just came in already knowing how to do it, it seems like. As soon as the teacher explained it, they understood. And so it makes it difficult to ask questions and be comfortable not knowing and like actually trying to figure it out. You just really want to guess anytime that you're given a problem and hope that it's right because like you want to be like the other people who seem to be able to guess right every time. And that hinders learning a lot, I think. What I've come to notice since coming to Waterloo is that the great teachers look at their teaching and their lesson planning as a craft that they have to develop all the time. So I know professors who have been teaching courses for 15 years and they still change the course every single time they teach it. They pay attention to what students struggle with, what seems easy and what seems hard, and then they rewrite the course and they teach it slightly differently the next time. And those are always phenomenal courses. Like the amount of learning that I've gotten from some of those is enormous. And then other teachers think that their job is just to know the things very well and aren't as focused on how they communicate them to the students. And that tends to be much worse because the communication is like crucial and just as hard as having the technical expertise, if not harder. We do need to be focused much more on developing questions and finding the answer to them as opposed to just computing the answer to a question that you're given. Something that is also very important is coming up with questions. That's another way that you can have your curiosity develop is like you're just handed some piece of math, maybe function or something, like whatever, it could be anything. And you just try to get to know it, try to come up with questions about it and see if you can find the answer. And that's not something that we do in public school. I didn't do that until I came to university. But people doing that is the only reason that we have any mathematics at all. That's how it developed. And so I think letting people explore more and letting them be curious and not have answers would make for a much better general attitude toward math, but also happier and more mathematically inclined people.